think it's finally time for a new fire alarm system test video. Let's get started. As you see, I took out the Silent Night panel. It's all gone. The only thing I have is like the key, a little screw for keys. So this system has changed a lot. First change, I now have a dedicated power cord for the panel, and it goes right behind all this stuff out right here, the thing. This hasn't changed. This sort of changed. And there's no door contact. I took that out. But yeah, so there's the thing. So it's got normal notified pull station. We like our set on 15 candela. Right here we got Wheelock AS. Got the I think it's MDF 300. This is monitoring something. I have to put end of line resistor. I only had one. I'll have to get another one. And there's this wire that goes down to the RSC pull station. So now I have two pull stations on the system. It's got this one and that one. And this small module is monitoring this. And lastly, we go up. We got the System Sensor Special Advanced SRK. And this has its own conduit that goes, and there's like this big beam. I took out this whole entire board, drilled a hole through it, so I can put the conduit through. And most of the wires comes out of a knockout here. And there's batteries in the panel. I did not hook them up. That's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. And then, so I'm gonna explain why Wheelock AS is on here. I've had this on my system a lot, but there's a reason why I want it. I want this to be a quiet system test, and there's a reason I can make this quiet. So, if you have this coded to continuous, but the panel coded to code 3, it does a quick chirp. So, that's what I'm going to do in today's test. So it's not loud, so I don't need any hearing protection. I say we should start off with the new pull station. And also, I did get a new hex wrench case, a little shorter. Let's pull it, 3, 2, 1. These strobes are not in sync, by the way. Alright, I'm going to do it out of silence with strobes. Now, pull this pull station. Alright, to reset these pull stations, what we're just going to do is open up this. We don't do the hex wrench key back. Just got to lift up the bar and we can slam it shut. Or also, this is nailed into the board, so it's a little bit neater. That's not a word. Anyways, then we'll take our notifier key. This is not the way to do it. Got that. And once we're done, we'll hit reset. and it'll turn off the strobes. Well, I think that wraps up for today's system test video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to rate, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.